What's going on, YouTube? This is ElSob, bringing a little video. I was going to take a video of me tearing this thing completely apart, but it would be I don't think it would be as interesting as it sounds. So basically, I've noticed in my videos when I run my truck, my gear is extremely loud, and I noticed that stock gear it's all right, but I went and got this hardened steel gear. I'm going to put in its place the same thing. Stock 13 tooth. So I'm going to take this one off and replace it with this one. Get it all set up and eventually run it. But this is just going to be a little quick. So stay tuned. Okay. And as you can see, the teeth are a little wider on the black one. The black one's hardened steel and the more chrome one's a stock piece. So we're going to see how that one fits in, and hopefully it fits together. If not, oh, there it is on the motor shaft. It looks pretty good. Got it tightened down. The set screw itself came with Loctite on it, and got it as snug as I can. I know it's the stock one. I don't want to get it too tight because it'll break it, but this being hardened steel, it takes a little more. And as you see, the gear's in there, and it is meshed properly. And see, I went with a 13 tooth gear to make sure everything stays stock. Fan's back on. SC's back in place. A little bit of a job, but nothing we can't handle. All right, YouTube. Everybody have a nice evening. Thank you for watching. Subscribe, ring the notification bell, and we'll have more content for you soon. Thank you very much.